It's a sleepy little temple dog. And try not to disturb him.
We're in Myanmar.
That's adventure.
Hey, temple cats. It's okay. I won't hurt you. You're in a cage there. You're safe. Alright. I think we found the temple I'm trying to get to. It's a hot walk. But I think it will be worth it. Although I don't remember what this place is or what it's about or anything at all, so.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, hot diggity dog. Ready to go in?
Ga Tat Gi Pagoda is situated just across the street from the popular Reclining Buddha, Chat Tat Gi. Even though it is close to this popular tourist attraction, not many tourists visit it.
The temple is home to a giant 14-meter tall seated Buddha in royal dress and a golden robe. Behind the seated Buddha, there are neatly carved wooden screens. All along the walls there are murals depicting Buddhist hell. The entrance fee is $2 or 2,000 chat, which includes a water bottle.
The grounds surrounding the main hall are home to many monks. Some of the monks were visiting the pagoda when we visited, and were taking selfies with the giant seated Buddha.
So incredibly beautiful. It's a sleepy little temple dog. And try not to disturb him. That's the monastery we were just at over there. Gorgeous view.
Beautiful.
Chat Tat Gi Buddhist Temple houses one of the most important reclining Buddhas in the country. The figure is 217 feet long. Even the eyes measure 5 feet long alone.
There was a different reclining Buddha housed in this temple until the 1950s, when it was destroyed in order to replace it with the current one. Construction was completed in 1973.
How do you feel about this place?
Really gives you an epic sense of scale and
Yeah.
We have visited reclining Buddha statues in both Laos and Thailand, but this reclining Buddha is by far the largest we have seen. Entrance to the reclining Buddha was free, for us, but I've read that it's usually about $5 per person. It is open from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m.
The camera's really struggling with the light.
The feet of the giant Buddha were covered in symbols and images. There was a sign describing the meaning of the iconography, which we found very interesting.
Interesting, it tells you what each thing is, eh? Crocodile King, the cow and her calf, the royal barge with the 4 doorways,
the pot full of water, the cup full of water, the ocean, the mountain of the universe.
the javelin, the table laid, the wax flower, the large spear. Interesting. And it all pertains to this. We really try to be as respectful as possible in somewhere like this, but can't help but feel out of place and like you're offending people. I'm really not intended. Try to be like, you know.
It's funny too. You get a little more comfortable when there's many other tourists taking pictures.
Mhm.
But who's to say whether any of them are being respectful?
Yeah. So we try.
It is a bumbly
Yeah.
road we travel.
We wanted to mention that these videos were filmed in 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release the videos in this series, it's 2022, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We are certainly no authority on what's going on, but we encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.